The graph shows a relationship between time and distance for 4 wind-up toy robots crossing a floor. Whose toy robot is the slowest? Pause this video and try to figure that out. Okay, let's do this together. So in the vertical axis, we have time in seconds. So that's, for example, this point right over here shows that Camilla's robot, it took 6 seconds to go 1 meter. The horizontal axis is meter right over here. So for any given distance in the horizontal axis, we can figure out how long it took to travel that distance. So one way to think about it is, let's just pick a distance where we have a point for all of them. So let's say this distance of 3 meters. It took Darius's robot about a little over 2 seconds. It took Bin's robot a little over, it looks like 5 seconds. It took Amira's robot, looks like a little under 9 seconds. And it took Kamila's robot, looks like around 19 seconds. So it took Kamila's robot the longest to travel those 3 meters. And they're all traveling at constant speeds. We can see that these are all straight lines over here. And so for any distance that you pick, you see that Kamila's robot is definitely taking the longest. So Kamila's robot is the slowest.